Sam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing another back to school video, and that is packing with me to go to college. Now, I leave for college in about 4 days. I'm filming this on Wednesday, August 18th, and I am going to college on August 22nd. So with all that being said, we need to get a move on because I'm nowhere near packed. I'm still getting stuff for college because this is my first time actually moving into an apartment because I'm living in an apartment off of campus that's ran through Seton Hall. For those of you who don't know, I do go to Seton Hall University, and I am living in an off-campus apartment with my friends. So I have 2 roommates, and I'm really nervous. I'm really excited for the next chapter of my life to start. I think it's going to be a really cool one, and I've never moved before, so I'm kind of like stressed out because for those of you who don't know, I was supposed to move the 27th and now moving the 22nd. So it's a little stressful, but it's okay. I cleaned out my closet the other day. If you guys want to see that video, I'll have it linked down below. I am having a giveaway coming up soon. I promise it's coming. It's just taking a little while for me to film it. But with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start packing. It's going to be a lot of montages. I know you guys like those, so I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. And with all that being said, if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the situation in my room right now. This is all my school stuff, and then I have some over there as well, but I have like none of my clothes packed. Like I said, I organized my closet. That was step 1. I have those clothes over there that have to go to my mom or to one of my friends. Then I have these clothes that I'm giving to my friends. That has to be washed. That's my laundry. And then I have these clothes that are for my friend at school. This is clean clothes. I just have to put it in a suitcase and fold it and stuff like that. So I have all my like actual college stuff, like pillows, bedding, kitchen stuff, everything like that. I just did my last college run at Target today, and then I have to go like food shopping and stuff like that. But that is the situation of like this stuff. So now I just have to do like clothes and actually like organizing it all. So it is much later now. I actually went out to a sunflower field, which is why my hair and makeup is done, because I went out and took pictures. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see that. It's linked down below, and I'll have it on the screen if I remember. But I have my suitcase right there, and I don't know, I'm just gonna start packing. I really don't know where to start because I have to pack bathroom stuff, kitchen stuff, dorm stuff, like for my actual room, because like I said, I'm going into an apartment, so there's a lot more stuff than just like dorming stuff. But I'm just going to start and see where it takes me, so let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of my jeans and kind of like crop tops and stuff in one suitcase. I'm going to need a lot of different suitcases for like pajamas and like workout clothes and stuff like that. So I thought I would section it off by suitcase rather than like just throw everything together, if that makes sense. So I'm going to work with my jeans and then some of my crop tops for now. packed my first suitcase, and this again has all of my jeans in it and all of my crop tops, or most of my crop tops and jeans that I'm going to bring. It's pretty packed. This is a carry-on size suitcase, so it's not that big. I don't know if I have like bigger suitcases in my house. I probably should have asked my mom because that probably would have worked better, but I'm just going to bring as many suitcases as I can and then have my mom bring them home when she takes my dad's car home. I'm going to take a break from doing clothes right now, and I'm going to move on to my bathroom stuff and store that because I don't want the video to get boring with just clothes. So we're going to move on to bathroom. Okay, so I got these containers today from Target, and they're really cute. They are pink and clear, and they have like all little polka dots on them. I thought this would be good to store under my bed in college, but I'm going to store like my bathroom stuff and just like shoes and stuff in it when I'm actually moving my stuff into college. So for my bathroom stuff, I'm going to put it in the pink one because the pink one is a little bit smaller, so I thought it would be easier to store stuff in it, just because the bathroom stuff I don't have that much to bring. So I'm going to put like my towels in here and then my toiletries and stuff like that. Well, long story short, that did not work. So now I'm going to put all my bathroom stuff in the bigger tin that I have and then put other stuff in the smaller pink one that I have because I have so much more bathroom stuff and I underestimated all of this. I put most of my bathroom stuff in here. So I have my towels, my Q-tips, my makeup wipes, my shampoo, my conditioner, my like curling iron, straightener, brush, mouthwash, toothpaste, stuff like that. There is some more stuff I need to put in here, but I have to go to the store to get it. So this is my bathroom little box for now. And then now I'm going to move on to probably more clothes because a lot of this stuff I need to go back to Target and get more containers like this to store it in. It's around 9:42 right now. For some reason, I always decide to do this very late at night and then I get very tired. But I'm going to move on to my closet and do all of my leggings in my other suitcase that I have. So I'm going to do that and then probably put like workout shirts and sports bras in there as well. Is the next morning now and I still have this little container and I want to put all of my kitchen stuff in it. I don't know if it's going to be enough, but I definitely want to put some stuff in it and then I might go back to Target to get some more stuff. So I'm going to start with that. I still have so many clothes to pack, so I might make 2 videos out of this. It depends how long it is, but let me go put some kitchen stuff in this and then we'll go from there.
Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me there.
I just got back from Target and I got 2 of these bigger size bins. I really like these. I think they're so cute and like aesthetic, but also very spacey at the same time. So in these, I'm going to put more of my kitchen stuff that didn't fit in the other one, and then also like pillows and stuff just for storage, and then figure out what I should actually put in this when I get to the dorm. Then I'm also going to put shoes in the other one, and then other than that, I just have to finish packing my clothes. So we are almost done. I just finished packing all of my supplies and everything like that. As of right now, I'm going to end the video here, and I might make another video about packing the rest of my clothes. I don't want the video to be too long, and I have so much to do today. I have my friend's birthday and everything like that, but I want to post this video today, so I'm just going to post this section of the video right now, and then if you guys like it, I can make another video for like the rest of my clothes and everything like that, so let me know. But with all that being said, if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys are excited for school to start. I try to respond to every single comment. With all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video sometime really soon. Bye guys.